This is 3.4 finding zeros or all the roots or all the x-intercept for your rational functions. You look at a function like what we have in number 1. Some of the way to find if it's a solution or not is plug in number, and then if you get 0, then that's the solution. That's what we learned in 3.3. But there are so many numbers in the world, like not just whole number, but like fraction, decimal number. So it would take forever to try to plug in everything in here. Looking at this function, we see the highest power is 4, which suggests to us that it can have up to how many solutions? 4. But if there's a way that can help us to narrow down what number to plug in to check if it's a solution or not, that would be great. And we started with this, and you're going to see this on the test and final is how to narrow it down to find possible rational zeros for your function. And the formula is you need to find plus minus all the factors for the constant term over plus minus all the factors for the leading coefficient. So which one is your constant? Hopefully you know, like constant is the one with no x, just the number, and it go to the top. And the leading coefficient means what? So leading coefficient is the one with the highest power, the number attached to the term with the highest power. And one of the common mistakes on the test is people get the two mixed up. So for me, I think constant start with the C, go before leading coefficient is L alphabetically. So the constant go to the top. So I'm going to rewrite the question one more, the formula one more time. They say find a list of possible rational zero. So potential 0. Not the actual one, just narrow it down to fewer numbers to plug in. So we have P over Q, which is plus minus all the factors of constant over plus minus all the factors of leading coefficient. And for these particular questions, the constant is what? 4. So 4 can be 1 times 4 or 2 times 2, right? Those are the factors. And the leading coefficient is what? It's going to be 1, so it's just 1 times 1. This is all the factors. So on top, we're going to have plus minus 1, plus minus 2, and plus minus 4. And at the bottom, we just have plus minus 1, right? So all the number plus minus 1 need to be divided by plus minus 1. So we have plus minus 1. Plus minus 2 divided by plus minus 1 is plus minus 2. Plus minus 4 divided by plus minus 1 is going to be plus minus 4. So how many possible zeros do we have? So hopefully you know it's going to be 6. Because it's 1, negative 1, 2, negative 2, 4, negative 4, right? So 6 possible zeros. So sometimes this will help us narrow down the list of number to plug in and try to solve it significantly. So it's pretty useful. Please try the next example on your own, and then we are going to check your answer in a few minutes. You can expect to see this on the test and final exam.